That is 100% the ground now. I knew I should have. I'm glad I got more blocks. Nah, come here. Get over here! Please. Okay. We are in. As you can see by the title of this video, I've added some horror mods to this world that I'm playing. But not just 1 or 2 dwellers. I've added 30 whole horror mods that I have to try get diamonds and survive in them. So this is going to be pretty hard to do. So I've added a gun mod to try help me. So first let's just get some wooden tools. There we go. So wooden pickaxe. For now I'm just going to be playing Minecraft normally until something happens. Okay, let's make some stone tools. What was that? We should probably build up, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, let's just pretend that did not happen. Oh, I probably not should be killing animals. That's probably why. So why does that guy not have... Oh. Wait, does it happen again? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I'm not going to kill any more animals. I don't know how I'm going to get food, so that's going to be annoying. Oh, this is new. This is a kindness flower. Oh, okay, that's cool. Don't care about it though. Coal. Very good for smelting some iron. What is that? I thought that was a sheep. Oh. Yo. Okay. I did not know I had other mobs to the game, but that's good. Okay, I will need to get a bed soon. Oh, there's another one. That's kind of cool. Oh, I might keep this one actually. I don't know what I can do with it, but so what are these? I joined the game and I had these. Phil's keep taking him. He said he's not real. What was that? Find the village. Optional. Grab the cross. Go into the deep. Go deep into the mine shafts. Find Billy. Find Jane in their mansion. There's a mansion. Okay. Guess I'll keep them. Oh. Yo. Yo. Okay, I thought that was like, just didn't see that there's lava there. So what was that? I have no idea what that was. What is that? Is that the man from the fog? Ah. Where? There's a lightning strike. Well, that was weird. Should probably get some more wood. I have to be really careful now, because I know there's something here. Let's just get some extra wood. I should probably use these as building blocks. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep searching for a cave, and I'll be back when I find one. Do not move. What am I looking at? What is that? Is that the growling man? Oh. Nope, he's still there. Wait. It's my instincts to go over there. Maybe I should fight it? I mean, if I kill one, that'd be cool. But I'm scared. Am I gonna die? Take some food. It's my offering. Did he take that? Let me see what it looks like. What is that? What? That's the growling man. That's the growling man. That is 100% the growling man. I knew I should have. I would have got more blocks. Nah, come here. Get over here. Please. No. Well, that did not go well. That's kind of annoying. I'm gonna have to get all my loot back. Didn't really have much though, so that's fine. Okay. I think we know not to attack the monsters, especially that guy. He was quite chill at the beginning, but then I had to attack him, and then he killed me. So that sun is going down like fast. I'm gonna probably build a sky base for tonight. I could hide underground, but I want to see what happens. Okay, let's go up. I'm probably gonna use most of that wood here, but nope. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me so bad. That actually scared me. Yo. What is that? What am I looking at? I don't think this is even high enough because there's a tree right next to it. Something spawns and I'm dead. Oh. Okay, yeah, I need to expand this platform a little bit. I think this should be tall enough. This is definitely not tall enough if Siren Head comes, but if that happens, we're just cooked. There's nothing I can do. So what is that? Is it gonna go away? I hope so. It's pretty scary. Oh, I've got darkness. Why do I have darkness? Here we have. I have some stone tools. I'm guessing a lot is going to happen tonight. Take that. Take my offering. Yeah, I don't think he's taking it. Still got darkness. It says 0 seconds, but still here. So I'm just gonna wait for tonight and see if anything interesting happens. What is that? What? Is he attacking something? He was being attacked. This guy's still here. I mean, that guy's quite far away. So I think we're fine. I guess I'm just hoping this guy goes away in the morning. If not, I'm gonna have to go fight him. And I don't really want to do that. After what happened last time. What was that noise? Is that just normal lightning? Or is that like monster? I'm going to presume that is a monster. I'm hoping that guy doesn't come over here because he's quite tall. Or fellow is quite tall. Oh, he's gone. Okay, that's good. I guess. Okay, it's not daytime. What is that? Oh. That pumpkin? Is that the pumpkin dweller? I guess I added a pumpkin dweller or something. Like, what is that? I'm just waiting for daytime. I'm gonna go down here. I don't know why I'm going down here. I wanna try it. Yo, I shouldn't have gone down here. Yo. He sees me. I probably shouldn't have gone down here. I'd rather be floating. up there than being on a tree that... Yo, what? What is that? What was that? What am I doing? Just break, just break, just break. I didn't even see what I was looking at. Oh, that's the man from the fog, I think. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure that guy can climb and destroy the rocks. Holy. Scared me so bad. Can this guy shut up? You're looking really loud. Please tell me he goes away. What am I looking at? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm cooked. What do I even do? There's 4 of them. 1, 2. Oh, he's gone. Is it daytime? Please go. Please. I think it's daytime. Yeah, it's daytime. What do I do? There's nothing I can do though. I'm just gonna have to make a run for it. Why did I take so much damage? Why did that do so much damage? Never attack the monsters. That's all you need to do. Just go in. Just don't look behind you. I look behind me. Water. Please. Save me. You can't swim. Oh, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill it. I wonder how much health this guy has. You just kill me at this point. Like, I don't want to be sat here for 5 minutes straight. Just keep on hitting you. I'd rather just leave. Did he drown? Let's just imagine that never happened. I'm actually gonna die. Like, I might as well just die at this point. What do I even do? I've got no food. I'm on 4 hearts. There's like 4 dwellers. Like, I might as well just go into the cave. I just need, coal. I need food and wood. So, what is that? Yo, what's up? I'm sorry. It was a joke. It was a joke, bro. It was a joke. Wait, how much damage did you do? What did you... Killer's soul? I want some souls. I want those. Okay, so let's just keep going. I just need... Let's just not move. Let's just imagine that was not there. Oh. There's 2 of them now. I have no... Wait, he fell. Did he fall or did he, like, go into the ground or something? Okay. Let's try to kill one of those pumpkin guys. Maybe I'll... I can't do anything. Like, there's just monsters everywhere. I need food. Oh, he's stuck in the ground. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Food. I'm sorry. Whatever dweller hates it when I kill. Can you stay back, please? I guess I'm just gonna be running. Does he? Oh, it's you. He's not true. Is that? What the heck is that? So what was that thing? That's just not. I think he's glitch. I'm hoping that. Oh, let's just go get my loot. Oh, gold. Yes. Go. Bro, please, just leave me alone. Bro, I don't want to play. I just want to get some diamonds. I don't even have all my loot. Just kill me at this point. Like, what do I even do? What? I need to go get my axe. Let's just go get my axe. I don't have, like, I hardly have any blocks. Oh, pigs. There's like 5 dwellers over there, so let's just stay over here. But I should be good. I'm gonna go underground now. I'm gonna build a little cave. Go down and get some food. Bro, I'm so sorry. Oh, please don't ring the bell. Let's just hide. Oh, okay. Feel safer now. Let's just get a furnace for now and cook our food. Oh my gosh, the worst timing ever. Bro, if there's something in there, I swear I am going to actually be scared so hard. Okay. Why is it light down there? Iron. Just block off behind me.
I can feel the end nearing. The darkness outside is relentless, and I am but fading hope. I fear I won't last much longer. But if anyone out there can hear me, hold on to whatever hope you have left. Do not surrender to the abyss.
Why would I surrender to the abyss? I don't know what. Okay, everything is cooked. I do not want to go back out there, but I'm gonna have to. I can't stay in there forever. What is that? Bro, it's a dead end. Are you kidding me? I don't think I can mine this with a stone pickaxe. What was that? Was that just a relay, or was that something mining? I want to go over there. Nope, please. What is that? I'm just gonna keep on mining. I don't even care about my torches. Just keep mining. Just don't stop. Let's just stay here, okay? What is happening? Yo, can you please shut up? This is so loud. Did I do something wrong? Like, I'm just gonna stick here. I wish I had a torch, because I can barely see. What is that? If I hear mining and it's not me, I am leaving. Nope. I can't do anything. I know there's probably like 5 dwellers above me. Like, on the surface right now. That means something is outside here and is fighting a zombie. Or a zombie is burning to death. I'm hoping...
May you find light in this darkness and strength in despair. If this truly is the end, let us face it with
I can build a
courage.
shield. I completely forgot about that. Oh, how I forgot about shield. I don't want to leave here. Low key. I'll just be chilling here forever. But I need my torches. There's 2 places I could go. Danger? No danger. Let's go to the... Nope. What happened there? If I move 1 block, dead. Like, I feel like no matter what I'm doing, I'm just gonna die over and over and over. I'm never gonna get diamonds. I think I'm gonna end off the video here. Okay, I have my music off. I swear. Yeah, I have my music off. Nope. I think I'm gonna end